In this Python coding video, we will understand the problem 2 of problem set 1 for Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python. Let's have a look at the question first. Problem 2. Assume S is a string of lowercase characters. Write a program that prints the number of times the string Bob occurs in S. For example, if S is equal to azcbobobegghakl, then the program should print number of times Bob occurs as 2. Before we begin, please understand that there may be several possible ways to solve any given coding problem. The way I am attempting to solve this is just one of the many possible solutions. If you want, you can pause this video here, try to attempt this problem on your own, and then come back to this video to see the way I have tried to solve this. Okay, let's begin. We have been provided a variable s which stores the string value. We will not need this variable when we submit our final code to the edX grader, but as of now, we will start with this variable having some initial value. Just be aware that this statement will not be part of our final code which will be submitted. So, s is equal to azcbobobegghakl. Here we initialize the variable s with the same value provided in the question. Then num is equal to 0. Next we create a variable num and give it an initial value of 0. This variable will be used to store the number of times Bob occurs in a given string. For index in range length s, then we begin the for loop to iterate over the index of each character of the string. For this, we make use of the range function starting from the default value of 0 up to the number of characters in the given string, for which we have used the len function. Text is equal to s square bracket index colon index plus 3 square bracket close. Next we take the variable text to store the slice of the string. Since we want to check the occurrence of the string Bob, which is of 3 characters, we take the slice also of 3 characters, taking from the index up to 3 more characters, which the loop will check for all the characters in chunks of 3 at a time. If text equals Bob, next we add the if condition to check if any such slice obtained is equal to Bob. Num plus equals 1. And if it is, that is when the condition is true, then we increment the value of num by 1 every time this happens. Print number of times Bob occurs is finally, we print the output as the number of times Bob occurs in the string s. Now run the program and we see that our code is correct as it displays number of times Bob occurs is 2. Thus we have verified that our code is correct. Now before we submit the code to the edX grader, we need to make sure that we have deleted the first statement, and after that only we do our final submission. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we will try to post the video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.